Good morning. Are you okay? Okay. So today's revision is you see on the board that is advantage of GUI and CUI and disadvantage of GUI over CUI. This GUI is the graphical user interface operating system. There is an operating system known as the GUI. So graphical user interface operating systems and CUI is character user interface operating system. So GUI and CUI, there are two types of the operating systems, basically divided in two types, two categories. So GUI is graphical user, which can display the graphics, which can display the pictures, and CUI, that is character user interface, means the command user interface. So the character user interface can display only the characters. It is the topic of the day which we are going to revise. So already all of you know that we are having the operating system in our computer lab, that is graphical, as well as CUI also, but your all the softwares, all the programs are run under graphical user interface operating system. Do you remember that operating system? Now you see that you are sitting in the lab. Okay. So GUI is much attractive and appealing. GUI is much attractive. It is very attractive. It is very dynamic. As you are also very attractive. Whenever you are coming to the school in school time, you show yourself that you are very attractive. Combing hair, wearing the good dress, and trimming the nails. And other activities also you are having. By that you want to show that yes, you are very attractive, you are very dynamic. The thing attractive comes means it leaves one type of the impression on others. Suppose you are handsome, so you will show one type of the attraction. I will be attracted by you. Here also in computer, this GUI is most attractive operating system. It is graphical user. Graphical user means whenever you are opening the computer, so it is having different types of the icons. The operating system, there is one desktop, all of you know, there is one taskbar, there are different types of the icons, there are the different types of the buttons on the screen. That shows that if you click here, so this thing will be happen. If you click there, so that will be run. If you double click on this icon, so this file will be executed. And if you are selecting it and you are pressing the delete button, so it will be deleted. It will be deleted. So graphical user interface operating system is very easy to handle. We no need to learn the commands. Here, no need to learn the commands in GUI. Whether in CUI, it is in the CUI you have to learn the commands, because in command user interface operating system there is a black color screen, and that black color there is one prompt. There is a C prompt, D prompt. On that prompt you have to write the commands. Then only it will execute. GUI, there is a picture. Suppose there is a suitcase type, means that is the folder. There is one scissor, means that is for cut. There is a rubber symbol, means to rub something. to paste something. And MS Word, there is a symbol, there is one icon on the screen, that there will be written W, means W shows to write something. Excel, there is one type of the symbol displaying on the screen, it is having one respective icon. Paint is having one type of icon, so if a person does not know English alphabet, then also can understand this is for painting. So GUI is just like copying. See the picture and do, like monkeys are also copying. So here this GUI you want to open, okay, just double click here. You want to delete, just you remove it by pressing the delete key. And multiple tasks can be done simultaneously at a time. Means in one time we can open many softwares, 2, 3, 4, 5 as much you require. It is depend on the memory of the computer. That on the you are opening MS Word, you don't close it. You can open again Excel, you can open Paint, or you can open any music file, you can open any picture file. Means 5-6 files you can open together, means at a time, and simultaneously, means one by one. One work is over, just you click on the taskbar, another will open. So you minimize, maximize. So according that, whatever is needed, means according to your requirement, you no need to open the software again and again. Just you click on the taskbar, that will be active. So that is simultaneously. Simultaneously means one by one thing is over, so another is starting. At a time, using GUI we can see the video and other graphical representations. Videos, very popular, very famous. This is videos nowadays you will see on the YouTube, and many other softwares are there which are used to see the movies, to see the pictures. So videos we can see under graphical user interface operating system. Under CUI it is not possible. CUI shows only the character, and this GUI we can see the videos, we can see the movies, we can see the serials, we can see the news. If you are having GUI, and I think all of you like very much GUI, because sometimes for entertaining, close the work, open a video and see the movie, again you stop it, again you start your work. Whenever you are bored, we are human beings, to do the work continuously, sometimes we are tired and bored also. So in boring time, just we can see the movie, we can listen the song, that you already do. Using GUI, we can see the video and other graphical representations. This is the advantage. Whatever I am telling you, that is the advantage. Advantage of GUI over CUI means कि graphical user interface operating system का character user interface operating system पर क्या advantage है, क्या उसकी खूबी है जो GUI में है और CUI में नहीं है. Okay, that I am explaining here. कि उसके अंदर कौन सी ऐसी क्वालिटी है जो दूसरे के अंदर नहीं है. That is the comparison. That is CUI and GUI comparison. But I am not comparing CUI with GUI here. I am comparing what advantage GUI is having over CUI. So if I am comparing, so it means both are compared with each other. For example, if I tell you I have two components here. The one is ink bottle, another one is pen, marker. So if I tell you this one is bigger than this, now you no need to check whether this one is smaller than this or not. If it is big, so that is understood this will be smaller than that. Like that here, if GUI is having this advantage, So that is understood that CUI is not having that advantage. So the user mostly gets immediate visual effects. Visual effects means whenever you are coming to the any menu, just you move your cursor, you move your mouse pointer on any menu or any area of the screen. So suppose there is a cut symbol, you will go there, you are coming over that, you are moving your mouse pointer over that, so it will show what is the use of this one. This is the immediate effect. You are going to save a file, a dialog box is coming. If you are entering something wrong, so it will show one type of the suggestion, visual suggestion. If you are you have saved your file, it will show your file is saved successfully. So these are the advantages we are having in graphical user interface operating system, that is not in CUI. You are coming over the taskbar it will show what are the contents available here. Taskbar, all of you know, the desktop is having a taskbar. I am talking about Windows operating system, that is a graphical user interface operating system. So Windows is having a desktop, that is the first screen of the Windows. It is containing different types of the icons, and at the bottom of the screen there is one taskbar. The taskbar is containing a start button. The right side you will see time, that sound symbol, and the open software are also showing on the taskbar what are the files and what are the folders or what are the softwares are open, that will be shown on the taskbar. So here I would like to tell you that mostly get immediate visual effects. We will do anything, so there will be one feedback. Yes, it is. This is the use of this. You will click here, so it will happen. Just you click there, that thing will happen. So that is the immediate visual effects. It displays the icons, menus, etc. related to the program. There are different types of the menus. For example, a menu, icon. On the desktop there are different types of the icons. So there is written, the name of the icon is written MS Word, and if you click on that, so Excel is open. So that not happens. This is very related symbols are there. Very related symbols we are having, and the respective name also we are having of the same type. This is the icons are related, means by watching or by looking a picture we can understand this is the name of the software and this is the work of this software. You are going to open Paint, so you will see the Paint type icon will be there. So anyone will understand this is for Paint. You want to see the movie, so there is one media player. Media player will show one type of the symbol. You click there, so that will be that media player software will be open. So my dears, I want to tell you that graphical user interface operating system is expensive, but it is useful for us in the comparison of CUI. When we were studying in 94-95, the beginning, we are starting to learn the computer. That time the CUI was used in the market, command user interface operating system, that was MS-DOS. We were using under DOS. So what was happening? Everything we need to remember. We have to copy this file to that place. Rename. Open the file means there was nothing on the screen. There was only a blank screen, and everything we need to learn. Here GUI, everything is displaying on the screen, and now you no need to bother about that. Just you hold your mouse, you move your mouse to that particular icon, double click, and that particular file will be open. see, this is a laptop. Here, this is Windows operating system. This is Windows operating system. This is the first screen of the Windows. It is having a desktop. Desktop is containing different types of icons. This is some pictures. It is looking the picture by face. This is Ansika Soni. This is Afroz. This is also Ansika. This is IS. This is camera. This is Word. This is media player. This is camera. This is Mozilla Firefox. This one is Google Chrome. So by looking the pictures, as a tree is known by its fruits. All of you know a tree is known by its fruits. हम कहते हैं कौन सा वाला ये आम है, तो आम तो सब पेड़ एक ही जैसा लगता है, लेकिन जब उसके फल को हम टेस्ट करते हैं, जब खाते हैं तो अच्छा ये वाला आम है. ओके, ऐसे आइकॉन्स तो सब आइकॉन्स है, लेकिन वो आइकॉन्स कौन सा है, जब हम उस पर डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो ये वाला खुलेगा. ओके, so it is very easy. When you come, I am moving my mouse here, there, wherever I am going, it is displaying. If I double click anywhere, that will be open. See, this is open. This is Mozilla Firefox. Just double click, it will be opened. So this is graphical user interface operating system, having different types of the icons, taskbars, menus and other options which help us to perform or to complete the task. No need to remember, no need to learn the commands, the difficult formulas, etc. Everything is available in the GUI. So this is your internet web browser. Okay, so this is GUI, graphical user interface operating system. So I hope you understood the advantage of GUI, the advantage of graphical user interface operating system over command user operating interface operating system or character user interface operating system. So this CUI is having two full forms. Some are telling character user interface and some are telling command user interface operating system. But I think from my view is this is the character user interface operating system because it can display only the characters, the alphabets, A, B, C, D, all the symbols you are having on the keyboard it can display. It cannot display, CUI cannot display pictures, your photo, any graphics, any chart or anything you cannot see in the CUI which is visual, which is in the form of picture, in the shape of picture. Okay, so GUI is having more advantage in the comparison of CUI. This was the advantage of GUI over CUI. Now you come to know the disadvantage of GUI over CUI. मतलब बहुत अच्छे लोग होते हैं, उनके अंदर कुछ कमियां भी होती हैं. ओके, हम हैं, अगर हम अच्छे हैं तो हमारे अंदर कुछ कमियां भी होंगी. ठीक है, ऐसे हर कोई चीज, गैस सिलेंडर है बहुत अच्छा है, नो डाउट, कुछ कमियां भी हैं, जरा से लीकेज हुआ तो फिर प्रॉब्लम. कुकर है, that saves our time, but there will be some disadvantage also. ऐसे GUI बहुत अच्छा है, it is very good, undoubtedly it is very good, but it is having some CUI, it is having some disadvantages also. So the disadvantage is it needs more system resources to load the various graphical elements like icons, menus, etc. इसको बहुत ज़्यादा रिसोर्सेज चाहिए क्या करने के लिए, इसमें जो आइकॉन डिस्प्ले होता है, मेनू डिस्प्ले होता है, ये सारी चीज़ों को डिस्प्ले करने के लिए बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज की जरूरत पड़ती है. GUI, you know, GUI do not directly shut down, do not directly close the windows. This one, that is the disadvantage. If you are directly closing any Windows software, so what happens? In the background of that, there are many files which are working. Whatever you see on the screen, the background color, the menus or anything to display on the screen, many of the program files are working behind that. Okay? So if you are directly closing that one, so some files will be damaged and your Windows will be corrupt. Here, the disadvantage of GUI is it is having more resources, needs more resources to load the various graphical elements. It occupies more larger amount of hard disk space as compared to CUI. The size of this software, the size of the Windows is very big. It is taking more space in the comparison of CUI to reside in the computer disk. So it is one disadvantage. It needs more memory size inside of the hard disk to store it, to upload it. It needs more RAM to run. More RAM all of you know, that is random access memory. Random access memory is that at the time of the execution of the program, the use of the RAM is very important. One is read-only memory, another one is random access memory. So RAM. This board is now this time it is as I can tell this is my RAM. Whenever you are executing any file, so temporarily that is open in the RAM. It is occupying the memory of the RAM. So this board size is the RAM of this class. If I want to write something more, so what I have to do? First I have to rub this one because there is no other place. It is filled. It is full. So what to do? To write something more, I have to rub it, then only I can write something again. Like that in computer there is one thing known as RAM. My computer is 4 GB RAM, 5 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM. My mobile is having 3 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, because the RAM is used at the time of the access of the programs. It is temporarily open and it is occupying the place of the RAM. Okay, so under DOS you are working, means character user interface is required less memory of the RAM, and the graphical user interface operating system needs more memory of the. This is one type of the disadvantage कि इसको काम करने के लिए ज्यादा RAM चाहिए, नहीं तो काम नहीं करेगा. GUI operating systems are expensive over CUI. This is one type of the disadvantage कि जो GUI होता है यानी Windows होता है, Windows operating system is most expensive, most not, but it is expensive than CUI. Whenever you are using operating system of Windows, you must have to take the license and you have to pay the fee of that one. But under DOS means character user interface operating, there are many types of the character user interface operating system which are free, no need to pay the money, and if pay so little bit, only for the sake. But operating systems, this Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Vista, Windows XP, there are many types of many versions of the Windows. You have to pay the money. This is one disadvantage. I think you got. So thank you very much. I hope that you understood, and if you like it, so kindly you like whenever you open the you see this video in YouTube. So there are options of like and subscribe. It will not take any other extra money from your part that if you like. But if you like, then only you click on like. If you don't like this teaching, if you don't like this, if you don't understand I am unable to explain it properly, and you don't like that, so you don't click on like. If you like, then click on like and click on subscribe. Thank you very much. You take care. See you.